I'm going to jump right into today's video because I got a lot to talk about. First, I'm going to be sharing a shop with me at the Dollar Tree. Then at the end of this, you will see a haul of everything that I purchased. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. So if you watch my channel, you know that organizers at the Dollar Tree are a must. If you're in need of food storage containers, go to the Dollar Tree first because they have such a huge selection. Another thing I love to get are their candles. That can be from tapered candles to tea light candles to decorative candles. They have so many different options. I love some of their decorative candles right now. They're really gorgeous and come in so many different colors. I love these tea light candle holders. I think they're really elegant and would look great as decor in any room in your house. Another section I love to check out is their trinkets and trays section. I personally love these little macaroons. I think they're so cute. I have been keeping my Tylenol in them and it has worked great. Also, they have a bunch of different trays. I love the Future Mrs. tray. I mentioned in my previous video about the gold leaf tray that I picked up. Their selection is just getting better and better every time I go back. This is random, but I saw this cute trendy hat and only for $1, you can't beat it. I think you can style this right and it would actually work. You guys know I have to mention their dishware because they have so many good options right now. I love these clear bowls, but also these really huge cups I think are perfect for soup bowls and only $1. I think it's such a great deal. I also have been really loving their silicone kitchen utensils. They come in a bunch of different colors and they work really good. I'm going to go more in depth about their beauty products in this video, so keep watching if you're interested. But the Dollar Tree is really stepping up their game. They have a lot of different beauty products that I actually am pretty impressed with. Whenever you're at the Dollar Tree, don't neglect this section because in our minds, it's easy to be like, oh, $1, you don't want to get anything beauty related, but they actually have a lot of good stuff. I stumbled upon these really cute mason jars. I instantly envisioned these at a summer barbecue. I think these are so cute. I am obsessed with all of their shelf liners. I think these are the perfect thing to spruce up any drawer. And of course, I cannot forget to mention all of their amazing cleaning supplies. They are seriously underrated. Alright guys, so now that you've seen that shop with me, I'm going to show you guys what I purchased from the Dollar Tree. I did some shopping myself. Of course, per usual, I feel like at this point they should just be charging me rent because I basically live there. I'm always there looking for new ideas. So I found some good things this time, so let's get into it. The first thing I pulled out were these self-adhesive hooks, and these are actually going to be in Friday's video, so make sure if you aren't subscribed, hit that subscribe button and you'll be able to see how I incorporate these into that video. If you can see, they are self-adhesive hooks. These are actually great for so many different uses. I don't recommend putting a lot of heavy stuff on these. I don't think they're as good as the command hooks, but for certain items, I think these are great. Next thing I got, which I have used these in the past, but if you don't know about these, you need to get them. Especially if you're a makeup lover out there, this is perfect for you. So if you can see, it's a shadow switching sponge. So this is perfect for all those girls that use the same eyeshadow brush but always need it to be cleaned after you switch from different colors. This thing removes the shadows so that way you can switch back and forth from different colors only using one eyeshadow brush, and I think that's so smart. And I've seen these all over Instagram before, but when these came out at the Dollar Tree, I was like, I need that. That is amazing. So they come in these little tin cans like this. You open it up and then on the inside it has this black pad. So yeah, you just basically take your eyeshadow brush and rub it in circular motions and then it's completely clean. I love that so much, and for $1, I think these are so handy to have. Don't mind me looking super pale on the camera right now. I feel like it's so bright in here, but I'm gonna go self-tan after this video, so yay. I was really excited when I found this at the Dollar Tree. I hadn't seen this there before. This is the spray deodorant by Secret, and I personally really like this stuff. I have been really loving aerosol deodorants. I feel like they're just so quick and convenient, and the fact that this is the actual Secret brand I think is really cool for only $1. This is the Paris Rose scent. This retails at Target I think for $5 or $6. I'll have to look it up. So I was super excited they had this. Next thing I got, which will also be in Friday's video, was this cute organizer. I really love these organizers. This one is divided into 3 sections, which I really like, and I like the fact that it comes with a lid. I think that's super handy and convenient. So you can use this for, trust me, so many different things. Basically all of their clear organizers are really great at the Dollar Tree. I love their lipstick organizer as well. Ooh, the next thing I see, which I'm super excited for these are prayer cards, and I thought they were gorgeous. I loved the floral print, and then on the back here, I don't know if you can see that. Here, let me just open it and show you guys. I feel like that might be a lot easier. I had a few different ideas to use these for. I thought these would be really cool to stick on your makeup mirror or vanity area. That way, it's kind of like Post-its. I don't know if you guys ever did that, but back in the day when I was in college, I used to put Post-its all over my mirror with like inspirational quotes or messages that want to motivate me or Bible verses. So I thought these would be perfect to put on my mirror, and they just have different quotes on them. I am fearfully and wonderfully made. He has made everything beautiful in its time. There are 20 different prayer and scripture cards. I love that, and I even had this thought, this sneaky little thought, that whenever I felt prompted to or felt like I wanted to put one of these on somebody's car, just like on their windshield. I don't know if people would like that, but I thought it was a cute idea. It's kind of cheesy, but I really loved these, and for only $1, I think they are gorgeous. They have different floral prints as well, in case you don't like this design. Another fun DIY I have in mind. This is actually a hardware storage case, and I know that might be like, why did you get that? But I do have a bunch of ideas. I love all the compartments in these. I think they're really handy and useful. When you're at the Dollar Tree, just always keep an eye out for different cases or organizers like this. Just because they're in the hardware section doesn't mean you have to put tools or nails or whatever in them. You can get creative and do something a little bit more useful for yourself. Next item, which I am really excited to use, I'm actually going to use this right after this video. I found this also in the car hardware section. This is a microfiber cleaning towel, and this is actually really great at removing makeup. I love these things. So this is the size of one, and they're just really soft and gentle. Much better than regular washcloths in my opinion. If you guys have heard of the makeup eraser, they kind of feel a little bit like that. I feel like the makeup erasers are a little bit softer, but you can't beat this for $1 versus $20. I really can't believe that the makeup erasers are $20. I personally would never spend that much money on a washcloth. So for only $1, I think it's a great thing to remove your makeup. I have seriously been loving hair accessories, if you can't tell. I have one in my hair today. This one is from Amazon. I kind of just threw it up there, so it might look a little weird. I kind of just let it do its own thing, but I really love the Dollar Tree hair accessories right now. They have so many different cute ones. I found this one, which I think actually I might put in Kenzie's hair tomorrow. It is a scrunchie, but it has a really pretty satin bow. I think it's so girly and cute. I also picked up these leopard ones. I liked the leopard and black, and then there is a black one as well. So you get 2 scrunchies in one for $1. So I think that's a pretty good deal. The ones on Amazon, you do get a lot, so they're probably better price in the long run. Or if you just don't want that many scrunchies lying around your house, go to the Dollar Tree because they have so many great options. I also got a lot of beauty items this trip, so I'm going to share them with you guys. I have used a few of these items in the past. I haven't tried these specific ones yet, but these are collagen makeup removal wipes, I'm curious to see how well they take off my makeup. It is going to be interesting. Of course, the cute packaging sold me. I love the pink. I'm gonna give them a go and see how it works. Hoping my skin doesn't break out in like a crazy rash. That would be great. But I do want to mention some beauty products that I have tried in the past that I actually think are really good for $1. You can't beat that price. So this specific brand, it's called Bolero. If you're ever at the Dollar Tree and see this brand Bolero, then try and pick it up because I have a hard time finding it at certain Dollar Trees. Their beauty section is kind of messy in my personal experience with the Dollar Trees I've been to. You kind of have to dig around to find this brand. So I did that yesterday and I was able to find this Bolero Hydrating Facial Gel. It does smell like watermelon, so if your skin is more sensitive, I would be careful. But it also has aloe in it, so it is very calming to your skin. If you don't have super sensitive skin, it doesn't hurt to try them. I don't have sensitive skin. My skin can pretty much take a lot. I try out so many skincare products all the time. I used to work in beauty, so I was constantly trying new things. I have tried this facial toner in the past and I really like it. It smells amazing, especially if you're a big watermelon person. I love the smell of watermelon, and this just smells so heavenly to me. Ah, I love the smell. It is pretty small. It's only 4 ounces. It actually is a pretty good facial toner in case you don't want to spend a ton of money out and about. So here is the brand up close again. I don't know if you guys were able to see that. It is called Bolero. Dun dun dun. Another skincare item. I know, it's crazy. It kind of even makes me a little uncomfortable talking about Dollar Tree skincare. If you know me, you know I am like such a huge skincare junkie. I have like every single brand in my skincare cabinet right now. So I'm very particular. I haven't used this one for super long yet, so I can't speak to the efficacy of this product, but I have heard so many amazing things about it. I don't see these a lot whenever I go to the Dollar Tree. They are one of those things, again, that you have to kind of search for. So enough talking about it, let me tell you what it is. This is a hyaluronic acid 1% plus a vitamin C serum. So right off the bat, it caught my eye because, of course, who doesn't want to be hydrated and glowing at all times? Vitamin C should be in everyone's skincare routine. It is such a good thing to have every single day. And of course, hyaluronic acid is perfect for people with dry skin. It is a great hydrator. Sorry, I had to step away real quick because my camera shut off. Like I was saying, this vitamin C serum actually claims to be better than the top selling Amazon vitamin C serum. So I don't know. I'm gonna try and be pretty consistent with this for the next few weeks and see if I notice anything, but I will keep you guys posted. It is definitely worth a shot in my opinion. I kind of want to do a whole entire video on Dollar Tree beauty and kind of show you guys how the products apply, how they work, if anything happens, if there's reactions or not. So let me know if that would be interesting. Leave me a comment down below. I'll show you guys what this looks like out of the box. It looks just like this out of the packaging. This kind of reminds me of the Ordinary products. Ordinary skincare is amazing if you guys haven't tried it. They are such affordable skincare and they actually work in my personal experience. So I don't know, I'm gonna give this a shot, you guys. Wish me luck. Another thing I love from the Dollar Tree is this under eye massager. So what you can do with this is actually put it in your freezer. I know that sounds kind of weird, but put this in your freezer and then every morning before you apply your eye cream, use this to go over your eye cream with, and it really helps to depuff your eyes. Because I don't know about you, but I wake up in the morning and I'm like, what happened? Because my eyes get so puffy whenever I sleep at night. So this is really good. I personally don't think it works super well if you don't put it in the freezer because it needs that really cold touch on this metal part right here to make that area go down. Because we want it to go down as much as possible. This thing is kind of fun. This is actually an earphones case, but I am not using it for earphones. It reminded me of a little macaroon, so that's why I was kind of excited about it. It is not only functional, but it is also cute, which you guys know if you watch my channel, that is always very important to me. So when you open it up, It just looks like this. It has like that mesh lining, and I think this is going to be perfect for me. I have a lot of different SD cards for my camera. I feel like they're getting lost all the time, so I wanted one area that contained them all, and I thought this thing was perfect for that. Hello, nice to meet you. Wow, I should not be alone this long. So the next thing is this dry shampoo. If you know me, I use dry shampoo every single day, but I really wanted a little one to keep in my car. And this one says it compares really well to Batiste, and I've used Batiste for so many years. If you use dry shampoo, just keep this one in your car. That way, if you need to meet someone or just need to look presentable, just throw it in your hair and hope for the best. While we're here, I might as well show you guys. I actually picked up a few things from the Target dollar spot, so I will show you guys that now. This guy I thought was so cute, and I'm not gonna brag, but I can't keep a plant alive to save my life. So the fact that I'm showing you this right now is kind of comical because I don't even know why I bought this, but I thought it was so cute, and I strive to be a good plant mom, and that's what I ultimately want out of life when I'm older. I would love to have a garden and be good at that kind of stuff. So this is just wishful thinking. I'm gonna try and plant something and hope for the best, so pray for me if you think about it. But I loved this little ceramic planter. It says love grows here. This was $5 in the Target dollar spot, and I just thought it was super cute. Yeah, so spring is just around the corner. I might as well try it out. I'm just trying to be like my girl Caitlin Nair because her plants are always looking so good, and I don't know how she does it, but I'm gonna reach out to her and ask for some advice. Their spring stuff right now is really adorable. My girlfriend Carissa mentioned this in her Instagram story the other day, and I loved it so much, so I wanted to go pick it up. I think this would look really cute for spring decor in my kitchen or even on my patio. I'm not sure exactly what yet. This was actually $7, so a little bit more expensive. I thought it was really beautiful with all the gold detailing and this little mini planter in the back. Again, I'm gonna try and find a plant that loves me enough to stay alive. The next thing I picked up was this really cute caddy, and I don't think I'm gonna use this obviously for planting essentials because I don't have any really, but I really liked it, and I liked what it said on the front. It says let love grow, and I think that could work for so many different things rather than just plants. I actually envision this with all of my cleaning products, so I think this would be really great to carry around your house whenever you're cleaning and don't want to, you know, have a handful of cleaning products that you're trying to juggle around. I don't know, I'm gonna play around with it and see how it goes. Alright guys, that was everything. What did you think? Tell me in the comments what your favorite item was. Like this video, give it some love. It really does help out my channel. Thank you guys so much for all your support lately. 40K subscribers is so awesome, and I'm just really grateful for that. So like I said, if you aren't subscribed, it would mean a lot if you hit that subscribe button and join this community. I would love to have you and introduce myself. So leave a comment and tell me if you're new. And don't forget about Friday's video. It is going to be a good one. It is going to be all about jewelry organization. I have had such a hard time with organizing my jewelry, so I wanted to come up with some fun and creative, affordable ways for you guys to organize with me. So I will see you guys in that video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye!